Ubuntu 25.04 on VirtualBox. Installing and using with a single click. Ubuntu 25.04, codenamed Plucky Puffin, is the latest interim release from Canonical, bringing a host of new features, performance improvements, and enhanced security to the popular Linux distribution. Using VirtualBox, a free and powerful virtualization software, you can easily install and test Ubuntu 25.04 on your existing system without affecting your main operating system. This guide will walk you through the process of installing and using Ubuntu 25.04 on VirtualBox in a straightforward, mostly single-click manner, ideal for learners and developers. The power of virtualization. Virtualization allows you to run an entire operating system inside a virtual machine, which is VM, on your current computer. This is invaluable for software testing, development, or simply exploring new operating systems like Ubuntu 25.04 without altering your primary setup. VirtualBox stands out as a user-friendly free virtualization tool that supports multiple operating platforms and offers features like snapshot, shared folders, and seamless mouse integration. Ubuntu 25.04 itself introduces the latest GNOME 48 desktop environment with enhancements such as battery health preservation, HDR support, and a new Papers PDF reader for a modern user experience. It also includes Linux 6.8 kernel with improved hardware support, advanced security features like enhanced app armor profiles, and native NVIDIA dynamic boost support for better GPU power management. Now, downloading the essentials. Before installation, you need two key components. One, the Ubuntu 25.04 ISO image. The official installation file for Ubuntu 25.04, downloadable from Ubuntu's official website. Next, VirtualBox software. The virtualization platform available for Windows, macOS, and Linux from the VirtualBox official site. These downloads are crucial. The ISO file contains the OS installer, while VirtualBox provides the environment to run it virtually. Now, step-by-step installation guide. First, create a new virtual machine. Open VirtualBox and click Machine, and New or press Ctrl+N. Name your virtual machine, for example Ubuntu 25.04, and set the type to Linux and version to Ubuntu 64-bit. Choose the default installation folder or customize it. Allocate RAM, at least 2 GB recommended for smooth performance. Create a virtual hard disk, which is 20 GB or more is advisable. Now, number 2. Mount the Ubuntu 25.04 ISO. In the virtual machine settings, under Storage, add the downloaded Ubuntu 25.04 ISO as a virtual optical disk. Optionally, enable features like guest add-ons later for improved virtual machine integration, though it may require manual installation if automatic setup fails. Now, number 3. Start the virtual machine and install Ubuntu. Click Start to boot the virtual machine from the ISO. Select Try or Install Ubuntu to begin. Follow the on-screen prompts. Choose language and keyboard layout. Connect to the internet if desired. Select installation type, usually erase disk, and install Ubuntu inside the VM. Set up your user account with username and password. Choose your time zone. Proceed with the installation and wait for it to complete. During installation, you can monitor progress via the terminal icon on the installer screen. First impressions and exploring Ubuntu 25.04. Once installed, Ubuntu 25.04 boots into the GNOME 48 desktop environment, featuring a refreshed modern interface with dynamic wallpapers and improved multi-monitor support. New Preserve Battery Health mode to extend laptop battery lifespan. The Wellbeing panel to track screen time and manage usage habits. HDR support for compatible displays. Papers as the default PDF reader, offering a sleek and efficient experience. Updated security with enhanced app armor profiles and NVIDIA Dynamic Boost support for better GPU power allocation during intensive tasks. You can open the terminal to access the Linux command line, explore pre-installed applications like Firefox, LibreOffice, and Thunderbird, and customize your system settings. Now, benefits of using Ubuntu 25.04 in VirtualBox. Safe testing environment. Run Ubuntu without affecting your main operating system. Easy setup. VirtualBox support for unattended installation can automate much of the process. Developer friendly. Access the latest development tools, container support, and cloud integration features. Security. Benefit from Ubuntu's enhanced security mechanism, including improved system management and time synchronization for secure operations. Performance. Kernel 6.8 and hardware optimizations ensure smooth operation even in a virtual machine. Now finally, the conclusion. Installing Ubuntu 25.04 on VirtualBox is a simple and effective way to experience the latest Ubuntu features with minimal setup effort. Whether you are a developer, IT professional, or Linux enthusiast, this setup provides a powerful platform for learning, testing, and development. The combination of VirtualBox ease of use and Ubuntu's 25.04 modern desktop and security enhancements makes it an ideal choice for exploring Linux in a safe, flexible environment. That's it for video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.